Verbs for feelings and emotions.
Cheer up, meaning to become happier. Example, she cheered up when she heard the good news.
Calm down, meaning to relax after being angry or upset. Example, he finally calmed down after talking to his friend. Break down, meaning to lose control of emotions and start crying. Example, she broke down in tears after the argument. Freak out, meaning to become very anxious, upset, or afraid. Example, he freaked out when he saw the spider. Blow up, meaning to suddenly become very angry. Example, she blew up at him for being late again. Chill out, meaning to relax and stop being angry or anxious. Example, you need to chill out and stop worrying about everything. Lighten up, meaning to become less serious or worried. Example, lighten up, it's just a game. Open up, meaning to start talking about your feelings. Example, he finally opened up about his fears. Bottle up, meaning to keep emotions hidden inside. Example, don't bottle up your feelings. It's not healthy. Snap out of, meaning to suddenly stop being in a negative emotional state. Example, you need to snap out of your depression and start enjoying life. Get over, meaning to recover from an emotional setback. Example, it took her a while to get over the breakup. Break up, meaning to end a romantic relationship. Example, they decided to break up after 3 years together. Pull yourself together, meaning to calm down and behave normally after being upset. Example, you need to pull yourself together and face the situation. Let down, meaning to disappoint someone. Example, he felt let down when his friends didn't show up. Take aback, meaning to surprise or shock someone. Example, I was taken aback by his rude comment. Go off, meaning to become very angry suddenly. Example, she went off on him for not doing the dishes. Warm up to, meaning to begin to like someone or something. Example, She slowly warmed up to her new colleagues. Turn off meaning, to cause someone to lose interest. Example, his arrogance really turns me off. Put off, meaning to discourage someone from liking something. Example, the bad reviews put me off watching the movie. Bring down meaning, to make someone feel sad or less happy. Example, the gloomy weather always brings me down.